And your Mustang's being towed.
Oh, it's not a Mustang. Was that a Trans Am or Camaro? Whatever it is, it's getting towed.
This is the second time I thought I'd actually be a part of something, and I'm like, I'm over here doing nothing.
Meanwhile, Brownell and I are we're just out here holding everybody at gunpoint.
Like some,
he didn't kill
like legit.
Well, I pointed my gun at him.
Celine's trash.
Fleeing from police. Turn around.
Dude, back up. Do not touch me, please.
That's stupid. That's Dempsey or whatever his name is.
Meanwhile, Brownell and I are we're just out here holding everybody at gunpoint.
Get on the fucking ground!
Like some,
he didn't kill
like legit innocent person. Just
Dude, back up. Do not touch me, please.
Oh damn it! I dropped the stuff.
That's a $400 knife, bro.
Well, then a drop to the ground shouldn't damage it.
100 miles an hour. Blowing stuff.
Here, what?
Oh damn it! I dropped the stuff.
Probably the drugs.
Benchmade is not in there that I saw. It is not.
Well, I pointed my gun at him.
Oh.
I'm gonna go find my car. And go back to doing things where I'm not catching real criminals.
Oh damn it! I dropped the stuff.
Probably the drugs.
Give me your cigarette.
One more track, bro.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
That's stupid. That's Dempsey or whatever his name is. Here, what? Oh damn it! I dropped the stuff.
Just throw it on the ground. I'm gonna get back.
Forms.
The Mustangs? Is that what it was, a Mustang?
That's
Me.
in a reckless manner.
Oh, sorry, you weren't there. That's right.
Like legit innocent person. Just
So, my sergeant said that there was probable cause to arrest you.
That's a $400 knife, bro.
Drop it!
on the fucking ground!
Now! Put your hands behind your back!
$400 knife. A Benchmade?
We're just
A Benchmade?
Who arrested me?
That would be Sergeant Hill.
Not you.
Well, I physically handcuffed you, but...
Are these alleged allegations gonna affect the way you treat me? Okay.
I mean, if it was like domestic battery or something like that.
Also, future reference, did you grab the knife after I contacted you, or did you already... I almost shot him.
But you're threatening my life.
Well, right. Well, right. Just be very careful, because you almost got shot, because I almost shot him. No, with a gun. You pulled a fucking butterfly knife out when I almost shot him. No, with a gun.
He's gonna be crazy like that.
Hey, man. It's karma's karma. Mild asthma.
Do you use anything for it?
Nicotine.
like 100 miles an hour through stop signs, man.
Dude,
That's
I can't even describe it.
like
How crazy he was.
like some
he didn't kill
like
himself.
legends my
I
stomach.
felt guilty not having my lights on. I don't know how he didn't T-bone somebody going through while through their knees.
Well, thank.
Also, future reference, did you grab the knife after I contacted you, or did you... I don't want to shoot people, but I almost shot him with a gun. You pulled a fucking butterfly knife out when I almost shot him. No, with a gun.
Hey, man. It's karma's karma.
100 miles an hour. Blowing stop signs.
You pulled a fucking butterfly knife out when
He's gonna be crazy like that.
You know exactly what I'm talking about.